Here's an example of the Iowa State Mesonet site. Basically, something that happened just recently. This was from the severe storms event that happened on May 26th and 27th of this year, just a few days ago. A few weeks ago, if you're watching this for week 4 of the class, of course. But basically, we're looking at, there you can see the dates put in were May 26th through May 27th. There's a menu that you can drop down and pick the dates, and then this will tell you the storm warnings that were issued, and then if they verified, and all kinds of data. So this is just a great example. This is out of the Blacksburg Weather Forecast Office, so that RNK was put in as the identifier we were looking at, and then there you can see the dates at the top. The search was for any of these warnings that we had been issued, and notice the click box here is for severe thunderstorm warnings. It does not show the tornado warnings, if any were issued. But then we do the search, and then the summary comes up below, and there you can see the listed warnings. On that time frame, which, again, looking at the time frame selected was May 26th, 12 Universal Time, 12Z, versus May 27th, 12 Universal Time, 12Z. Okay, 8 a.m. So those were the storms reflected, which would be Sunday during the day and Sunday night. Okay, and the warnings issued by the Weather Service, they show out of Blacksburg, showed 15 warnings. And then you see it says verified, 14 of them verified as actual severe thunderstorms. So that's very good, 93% verification rate. And then warned local storm reports. There were 80 storm reports, or actually 96 local storm reports. 80 of those were in warned areas, and 16 were reports from areas that were not under warnings. So just kind of really useful information. And then it continues to go on with more specifics about each one of those warnings below. So again, I think this is really a really valuable example of how the Iowa State Mesonet site can be used to retrieve severe weather warning information historically. What was warned, what was the percentage of the warnings, what were the percentages that were accurate, actually verified, that sort of thing. You could do it for tornadoes as well, large hail, any different parameter you select. Thanks for checking this out.